How to remove slime using vinegar. Here are some slime dried up on the baby's playmat. We will use vinegar to remove the slime. Soak the playmat for 5 minutes. Here is what it looks like after 5 minutes. The slime is pretty much gone. Rinse it and ta-da! It is good as new. I was taking socks out of the laundry machine and whoops! I see wet slime. It was sticky on the surface and hardened like a dried chewing gum. So I soaked the sock into the vinegar. Take the sock out of the vinegar after 5 minutes. You can see slime are still stuck to the sock, so peel it out and it pretty much comes off easily. Voila! The wet, sticky slimes are all gone.